Hello friends, let's crochet together a dragonfly. I have two different toys. This one is made of yarn knot jeans for head and body, and the wings is made of yarn knot baby cotton with yarn knot camellia. And this dragonfly is made of yarn knot baby cotton for the head and the body, and for the wings I've used yarn knot begonia. We will make together a dragonfly like this, but another color of wings. I have such gentle colors, and the size of my hook is 1.6. And let's start from the head. Make a magic loop and 6 single crochets into it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pull the thread and make a slip stitch in the first loop and a chain. Pull the thread again. There is no hole in the middle. And let's make the second round. We make 6 increases, 2 single crochets into each loop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. A slip stitch and a chain. In the third round we make 6 increases and 1 single crochet between them. We start from the increase in the first loop and make 1 single crochet into the second loop and repeat. Increase, 1 single crochet, increase, 1 single crochet, increase, 1, increase, 1, increase, and 1 single crochet. Make a slip stitch in the first loop and a chain. In the next round we make 6 increases with 2 single crochets between them. 1, 2, increase, 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 1, 2, increase. Make a slip stitch and a chain. In the next round, we make 6 increases with 3 single crochets between them. We start the round from the increase and then 1, 2, 3 single crochets and repeat. Increase, 1, 2, 3, increase, 1, 2, 3, increase, 1, 2, 3. Increase, 1, 2, 3. Increase, 1, 2, and 3. A slip stitch and a chain. In the next round, we make 6 increases with 4 single crochets between them. 1, 2, increase, 1, 2, 3, 4, increase, 1, 2, 3, 4, increase, and go on till the end of the round. 3, 4, increase, 1, 2, 3, 4, increase, 1, 2, 3, 4, increase, 1 and 2. A slip stitch and a chain. And now we make 6 rounds without changes for 36 single crochets. 34, 35, 36. A slip stitch and a chain. And I've made 6 rounds for 36 single crochets. And now we start to make decreases. 1, 2 single crochets and decrease 1 single crochet from 2 loops. 1, 2, 3, 4, decrease 1, 2, 3, 4, decrease 1, 2, 3, 4, decrease, and go on till the end of the round. In the next round we make 6 decreases with 3 single crochets between them. We start the round with decrease and then 1, 2, 3 single crochets, decrease 1, 2, 3, decrease 1, 2, 3, and repeat. In the next round we make 6 decreases with 2 single crochets between them. 1, 2 single crochets and decrease 1, 2, decrease 1, 2, decrease, and go on till the end of the round. And in the last round we make decrease 1 single crochet, decrease 1 single crochet, decrease 1, and go on. In the end we make a slip stitch in the first loop, a chain, and leave the long end of the thread to sew the head to the body. And now let's make these little horns. We make a magic loop and 6 single crochets into it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A slip stitch in the first loop, and a chain. In the second round we make 6 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A slip stitch and a chain. In the next round we make decrease and then 1 single crochet and repeat decrease and 1 single crochet. A slip stitch in the first loop and a chain. We can hide this thread inside and we'll make the last round 4 single crochets without changes. 1, 2, 3 and 4. A slip stitch, a chain, and leave the long end of the thread to sew the detail to the head. And make the second one in the same way. The details for the head are ready. See you in the next part.